2477 ILS B7.
2477 Houston Tower, good morning, winds 1807, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, United 2477.
Right at Sierra Charlie, contact the ramp, good day.
Weekend.
Correction to United 1383, go around.
United 1383, we're going around runway 27.
At 2477, I see you in the grass rolling the trucks en route.
2477.
United 1383, fly runway heading, maintain 2000.
Okay, United 1383, go, say again.
At 1383, fly runway heading, maintain 2000.
Fly the runway heading, maintain 2000 at 1383.
At 1383, turn right heading 360.
Stand by 1 sec, sir.
And it'll be just a minute for 15 left. We've got an aircraft off the runway on 27. Be just a minute on the 15.
2477 Tower.
Section, anything that would indicate something is wrong back there?
At 1383, turn right heading 360 immediately.
At 1383 and we're level at 2000 now.
1383, climb, maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000 at 1383.
Let's go with 5276, go around, track the localizer, climb and maintain 2000.
All right, go around, track the localizer, it'll be 2000. Let's go with 5276.
There's a vehicle on the runway. Yeah, 1201, fly present heading, maintain 2000.
Runway heading 2000, United 1201.
At 1383, turn right heading 020, contact approach 119, actually remain in this frequency.
Right turn 020, stay with you, United 1383.
That was 5276, climb and maintain 3000.
Let's go, 5276.
At 2477, did you copy that? They requested you shut down the engine on the left side. And at 2477?
United 2477, we copy.
Let's go 5276, turn right heading 360.
Let's go 5276. What's the plan coming around for the other side? United 1383, you still want us with you?
Yep, stand by. 1383, contact approach on 119.7.
197, United 1383. Have a good day.
Skies 5276, turn rating 020 and contact approach on 119.7.
All right, 197 and right 020. We'll see you later. 5276.
Tower, United 2477. Can you talk to the operations people on these vehicles?
Yep, United 2477. If you can change to 135.625, they're all on emergency frequency ready for you. Runway 927 is closed. You proceed as necessary on runway 927. At 1201, maintain 3000, turn right heading, actually, continue heading 270 for now.
270 and 2 or 3000?
3000 for now, United 1201.
3000, United 1271. 1201.
477, go ahead and if you can come up on 135.625, the emergency vehicle is there to assist you, and the runway is closed, of course, whatever you need.
3565.
625, affirm 135.625.
625,
And Ops Tower, the aircraft is coming up on this frequency, and they'll be talking to you shortly here. At 1201, heading 020 now, and contact approach 119.7.
020, 1917, thanks to you.
Shuttle 6107, flighting 270, maintain 3000.
Heading 270, 3000, Air Shuttle 6107. Air Shuttle 6107, what runway can we expect?
Shuttle 6107, either 26 right or 26 left, probably 26 right.
Roger, thank you.